Phillips-Medisize design team created multiple different alternative versions concerning the device design. Then those were then tested so that which kind of a design receives the best feedback from the users, and based on that, the final design was chosen and locked. We have worked with Phillips-Medisize now almost for 2 years. During this time, we have created 6 different prototype versions, and based on that, we've been able to narrow down the best possible product design, and those have been tested in the global usability study in different parts of the world, and 90% of the users, they've actually confirmed that they would like to try and use our device to manage their diabetes. Physicians and clinicians would prefer this because this drives patients' compliance. It's accurate, it's convenient to use, and it's affordable.